Ever felt your back scream after an intense gaming session? Today we dive into the top 6 AutoFull gaming chairs that fix that pain and boost performance. Welcome back to the channel. Stay tuned because real comfort and next level support await. Grab yours through the links in the description. On number 6 is Dowinx Breathable Fabric. Brace yourself. If you've ever slid into a top 6 AutoFull gaming chair only to end up hot, slick, and restless after a few hours, the Dowinx Breathable Fabric gaming chair might feel like an unexpected breath of fresh air, literally and figuratively, because its advanced tech fabric keeps airflow where traditional PU leather traps heat, meaning fewer sweaty back moments and long sessions that actually feel pleasant. The unique pocket spring cushion instantly adapts under pressure, delivering a sofa-like feel that distributes weight well and helps you stay comfortable even when grinding through extended work or epic raids. You get thoughtful extras like a gel-infused lumbar pad, a footrest for relaxed lounging, and straightforward assembly, though some folks note the retractable footrest can feel slightly flimsy and armrests might not suit every height. Honest signs that no chair fits everyone. Compared to higher-end rivals that prioritize extreme ergonomics or mesh airflow, this fabric design focuses on constant ventilation and cushy support. If heat buildup and sticky seats are your biggest barriers to comfort, this breathable option can feel like a wise pick you won't regret testing in your daily grind. At number 5 is AutoFull M6. You might think all gaming chairs feel the same until you sit in the AutoFull M6 Ultra and realize how many small frustrations with typical chairs suddenly vanish. Because this seat doesn't just hold you, it actively works with you through every marathon session, solving real problems like overheating, lower backache, and stiff posture that stop many people short of buying any of the top 6 AutoFull gaming chair options. The M6 Ultra's climate control system pushes cooling air when things heat up and gentle warmth when you're chilled, while its dynamic tracking lumbar support and built-in high-frequency massage help ease fatigue through extended work or long raid nights. Features other chairs often skip: adjustable 360-degree armrests and a 160-degree recline with footrest make rest transitions smooth, though some users note the massage feels light and power functions need a USB battery setup. Compared to simpler models in the top 6 AutoFull gaming chair lineup, the M6 gives you layered comfort that feels like a thoughtful upgrade, at a price and feature set that genuinely changes how hours at the desk feel. At number 4 is Kaiser 4. Most people don't realize how much time they lose to discomfort until they sink into a long gaming session and their back starts screaming. That's where the Kaiser 4 changes the game, especially if you've been comparing it with other contenders in the top 6 AutoFull gaming chair lineup and still haven't found a seat that truly listens to your body. Its 4-way pop-out lumbar support system adapts to your posture without extra cushions, so your spine gets tailored care whether you're grinding quests or typing reports. The magnetic memory foam head pillow feels cool and snug without annoying straps, and the 135-degree recline plus 15-degree rocking helps you switch from intense focus to relaxed break mode instantly. You get highly adjustable 5D and 6D armrests for arm relief, premium stain-resistant leather or fabric options, and a solid base that doesn't wobble under extended use. That said, a few reviewers mentioned the price feels steep compared to some top 6 AutoFull gaming chair choices, and that assembly can be a bit fiddly, but once dialed in, the cushioning and posture support make long hours feel significantly easier. If you crave adaptive support and comfort that reshapes your sitting experience, the Kaiser 4 is a compelling companion for work and play alike. On number 3 is Gamtimer 400 pounds. You might be shocked to learn that many gaming chairs promise comfort but leave you sore after just a couple of hours. That's exactly the frustration the Gamtimer 400-pound gaming chair sets out to fix by delivering a sturdy seat built for bigger bodies and extended use, especially if you've been eyeing the top 6 AutoFull gaming chair options but worry they might feel too stiff or exclusive. With a thickened steel frame and Class 3 gas lift tested to hold up to 400 pounds, this chair gives a reassuring feeling of solidity most budget models lack, and its wide ergonomic backrest helps relieve pressure during long gaming or work sessions without making you feel pinned in. The retractable footrest and adjustable recline from 90-degree to 155-degree add versatility that rivals some pricier alternatives, letting you switch from intense play to relaxed breaks effortlessly. However, the linked armrests are less adjustable than what you'd find on many top 6 AutoFull gaming chair picks, and PU leather may show wear faster than premium fabric, making it feel a bit firm over very long days. Still, for gamers or professionals seeking weight-rated support, breathing room, and affordable ergonomic features without a huge price tag, this chair offers surprisingly solid performance and comfort where many budget choices fall short. At number 2 is Homall chair. Some chairs make you wonder why you ever stood for long hours before. Then you try the Homall gaming chair, and suddenly you feel what affordable comfort can look like, especially if you've spent time comparing options in the top 6 AutoFull gaming chair category and hoped for relief without breaking the bank. This seat's high-density shaping foam and sturdy steel frame give it a solid backbone that tackles everyday discomfort, while its reclining range and rocking tilt help you shift between focused play, deep work, or casual rest without feeling stuck. The included headrest and lumbar pillows add a supportive hug where it matters most, though the fixed armrests and basic adjustability mean it won't match premium ergonomic chairs that offer multi-direction armrest tweaks or advanced posture tuning. Compared with some top 6 AutoFull gaming chair picks that blend luxury features with heavy customization, the Homall leans into simplicity and value. So if your priority is solid everyday support at a price that doesn't scare your wallet, this one delivers reliable comfort and versatility. The trade-off is that PU leather can feel sticky in warmer climates, and long hours might compress the padding earlier than high-end rivals. Now moving to the last one is Dowinx Cute. Imagine settling into what looks like a fun, quirky gaming throne, but then discovering it actually addresses real comfort issues most people face before they commit to a seat, especially when comparing it with choices in the top 6 AutoFull gaming chair lineup that lean more serious and performance-focused. The Dowinx Cute spins whimsy into function with its adorable removable cat ears, cat-shaped headrest, and plush cushion that still breathes better than plain leather during longer sessions. Right away, the double-textured design balances softness and airflow, while linkage armrests move with your recline so your shoulders don't feel stiff after hours at the desk or controller. Its adjustable backrest, 90 degree to 140 degree, and massage lumbar support add personal comfort touches many gamers crave, though this model leans a bit smaller and lighter than some top 6 AutoFull gaming chair picks, so taller users might feel limited unless they remove the decorative headrest. The playful accents aren't just style, they can make lengthy gaming or work days feel more inviting and less industrial, giving you a blend of personality and proven ergonomic basics in one seat. Today I'm calling AutoFull M6 the winner, not because it topped a chart, but because its real-world comfort tech like dynamic tracking lumbar support and ventilated heated cushioning keeps you cool and supported through long sessions, something many top 6 AutoFull gaming chair options don't fully solve. If you want gear that feels different, check it out, and don't forget to explore my channel for more honest reviews and setup tips. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 AutoFull gaming chair. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.